Are you someone who struggles with meditation? If you are, there's nothing wrong with you. And what you are experiencing is common for many. The reason why we meditate in the first place is to still the mind. So if you've got a really busy mind, so you experience anxiety, overwhelm, stilling the mind is a really good idea. It also calms the nervous system. When we have a calm nervous system, we're able to approach obstacles with a lot more calm. And also, the other benefit of meditation is that we have increased focus. Now, if you get those benefits, stilling the mind, calming the nervous system, and increased focus from other activities such as dancing, gardening, journaling, whatever it is for you, that's great. Now, here are some reasons why you might be struggling. If your nervous system is overly engaged, it's going to be very, very hard to sit still. So it could be over engaged because you're consuming a lot of coffee or substances. You might feel a bit edgy. Maybe you are experiencing overwhelm, anxiety, or you're in a survival mode. Perhaps you overthink a lot or have a lot of worrisome thinking. This is when the nervous system is heavily engaged. Maybe you've had a really big trauma or even a small trauma, it doesn't matter, or PTSD, and you've never sat with a psychologist or counselor or even a dear trusted friend to unpack that. Maybe you've shoved the emotions down. And what meditation offers is the space for those emotions to surface. So it can be very uncomfortable for some people. Maybe you've never actually experienced stillness of the mind and presence in the body. And if that's you, know that meditation initially is a practice and you can build up. There are on Insight Timer, one of my favorite meditation apps because it is free. You can access all the meditations for free. Of course, there is a paid subscription, but to access all the meditations, you get them for free. And there isn't those nuisance ads, which is really helpful. Right. So it's a practice. Download a meditation app of your choosing and even start with a 3 minute or 2 minute meditation if you want to still the mind to get that clarity and calm. And you want to calm the nervous system and you want to increase focus. And then build up to 10 minutes and then maybe 15 minutes a day. Just making a commitment to show up just for a couple of moments a day. It'd be interesting for you to notice the flow and effect in your life. So the other benefits of meditation, and I mean, you just have to Google to find the benefits of meditation, is you find calm and balance. It naturally lowers stress. It reduces anxiety. It enhances overall mental health, improves self-awareness, so important, reduces memory loss, and generates empathy and kindness, as well as improve sleep. Why wouldn't you choose meditation? But for those who struggle, even showing up for short guided meditations, consider dance or consider just being in nature. Now, there's nothing wrong with you if you struggle with meditation. It's very common. If you're open, try a guided meditation. Just see how it sits for you. On my channel, you'll notice there are a couple guided meditations for you. Sink your foot in the water. Have a go. See how it feels.